Hello guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Zara Sir Classes. Today I am going to cover this question: why integration is needed in companies. Because until you know why we need integration, we will not be able to be a good consultant. You need to have that understanding. So please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. In my previous video, I've already explained what is the purpose of integration and why we need integration. In this video, I am going to cover why companies need integration. So any company, any organization, any enterprise, if they want to run smoothly and seamlessly, they have some business cycles like R2R, that is called R2R, P2P, D2D, O2C, B2P, M2M, C2B, and E2E. There are a number of different cycles which runs the business. So R2R is what? Recruit to retire. A person joins the company and retires. So entire business journey happens under R2R cycle. Then again procure to pay. Companies procure few raw material and pays that to the vendor. This is one cycle. And then design to deploy. Companies design some product and deploy it to the market or inventory. So that is called D2D. So company gets order, like similar company gets order and fulfills that order and then receives the cash. This is called O2C. So like that, we have different business cycles. We are talking about integration, so I am not going to explain each and every cycle of that. Just to give you glimpses that these kind of things happens in the enterprise. Now, tell me one thing: is any of these cycles are independent? No, these are not independent. Say, if somebody hires, your HR team hires some person, so he need to be deployed either in marketing, either in operations, or any other area. He need to get paid as well. So paid, when the time come to payment, where does it goes? For the finance cycle, right? So any of these cycles are not independent. So, and for an enterprise to run seamlessly, we need to have these cycles integrated for the cohesive data transformation. So for that, we need integration. Say a hiring or HR process, R2R process runs in a success factor, and his payroll run is happening in S4HANA. So you need to have the data, all the employees and their attendance in success factor, and that data, attendance and his posting and his pay grade and his pay scale, all these information need to be transferred in S4HANA in order to run the payroll, right? So for that, we need integration. That is the need of. So similarly, for any company, whether it's an SAP product or non-SAP product, so for you need to have integration in order a company to run in automated basis or in seamless basis for the cohesive data, with the cohesive data, in order to run their all the cycle smoothly. So this is the need of integration in business.